Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, you will learn 60 Halloween trivia. Facts you did not know. But before we begin, subscribe first for good luck. What U.S. state can you find the city named Sleepy Hollow? The answer is New York. What historical figure is said to be the inspiration for Dracula? The answer is Vlad the Impaler. What orange gourd is often associated with Halloween? The answer is pumpkin. Which is considered the largest Halloween parade in the U.S.? The answer is the Greenwich Village Halloween Parade. What stop-motion animated film by Tim Burton stars Johnny Depp and Helena Bonham Carter? The answer is Corpse Bride. What spooky television series has an alternate universe called The Upside Down? The answer is Stranger Things. Which AMC television series is based on a comic book and portrays life after a zombie apocalypse? The answer is The Walking Dead. What is the name for a man who turns into a wolf on a full moon? The answer is werewolf. What flying mammal feeds on blood from cows, pigs, horses, and birds? The answer is vampire bats. What are the two traditional colors of Halloween? The answer is orange and black. What do consumers spend the most money on for Halloween each year? The answer is costumes. What destructive party item was banned in Hollywood on Halloween starting in 2004? The answer is silly string. What Tim Burton movie follows a mischievous ghost famed for his striped suit? The answer is Beetlejuice. As of 2013, how many movies were released under the Scary Movie franchise? The answer is 5. What part of a zombie's body you must destroy to effectively kill it? The answer is brain. In what month are pumpkins typically harvested? The answer is October. Where is the famous haunted house located that was the subject of books and films following the murder of the DiFio family? The answer is Amityville. What is the name for the night before Halloween that kids and teens are known to play pranks? The answer is Mischief Night. Which creepy television series on FX starred Lady Gaga as a blood-sucking hotel owner? The answer is American Horror Story. Vampires are typically known for turning into which animal? The answer is bat. Which classic horror movie, based on a Stephen King novel, leaves viewers feeling terrified about prom night? The answer is Carrie. What fruit is typically bobbed for on Halloween? The answer is apples. Which popular superhero Halloween costume features a red and blue suit and mask? The answer is Spider-Man. In the movie Mean Girls, what does Lindsay Lohan's character dress up as for a Halloween party? The answer is Bride of Frankenstein. Who is the villain of the Halloween horror movies? The answer is Michael Myers. What household item is sometimes thrown over trees on Halloween by kids and teens playing pranks? The answer is toilet paper. Which American theme park hosts Halloween Horror Nights each year? The answer is Universal Studios. On what day of the year is Halloween celebrated? The answer is October 31st. Which popular Halloween candy was originally called Chicken Feed? The answer is candy corn. Which is the first sequel to the film Night of the Living Dead? The answer is Dawn of the Dead. The vampire character, Count Von Count, appeared on which TV show? The answer is Sesame Street. What is Wikiphobia? The answer is fear of witches and witchcraft. Which interactive musical is the longest-running theatrical release in history and is especially popular around Halloween? The answer is Rocky Horror Picture Show. What is the name for a carved pumpkin on Halloween? The answer is jack-o'-lantern. What simple Halloween costume can be made with a plain white sheet? The answer is ghost. What term does Snickers use to describe the smaller-sized candy bars typically given out on Halloween? The answer is fun size. As of 2018, how many movies were released under the Halloween franchise? The answer is 11. What is the name of the Celtic festival that Halloween originated from? The answer is Samhain. What common household pet is thought to be bad luck on Halloween? The answer is black cat.
Perfect.
Treehouse of Horror is the Halloween series of which popular animated show? The answer is The Simpsons. What is the name for the saying on a gravestone? The answer is epitaph. Vampirism is the term describing which specific practice? The answer is drinking blood. What is lycanthropy? The answer is the delusion that one is a wolf or wolfman. What horror film features the character Samara Morgan? The answer is The Ring. In which language did the term vampire originate? The answer is German. Which 1993 Disney movie starred Bette Midler as a witch? The answer is Hocus Pocus. When was the song The Monster Mash released? The answer is 1962. What brought Frankenstein's monster to life? The answer is lightning. What family of plant species does the pumpkin belong to? The answer is gourd. The mask worn by the character Michael Maya in Halloween is of which celebrity? The answer is William Shatner. What is the name for the night before Halloween that kids and teens are known to play pranks? The answer is Mischief Night. In which state was the first citywide Halloween celebration held? The answer is Minnesota. What movie tells the story of Jack Skellington? The answer is The Nightmare Before Christmas. Which American television sitcom is about a witch who marries an ordinary man and lives as a suburban housewife? The answer is Bewitched. What was the name of the town in Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas? The answer is Halloween Town. Which is the first sequel to the film Night of the Living Dead? The answer is Dawn of the Dead. What do you call a ghost that moves objects and makes loud noises? The answer is poltergeist. Vampires cannot enter homes of the living unless what happens? The answer is they are invited. Where did the practice of decorating jack-o'-lanterns originate? The answer is Ireland. What scary children's book series is written by R.L. Stine? The answer is Goosebumps. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.